Thinking about studying in the UK but not sure where to start? Don't worry, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll take you through the complete step-by-step process of applying to UK universities. Let's get started. Step 1. Research and shortlist universities. With over 160 universities in the UK, choosing the right one is key. Look for programs that match your academic and career goals. Consider factors like university rankings, course structure, location, and student life. Pro tip: make a list of 5. 10 universities categorized into dream, target, and safe choices for better decision-making. Step 2. Understand UCAS, the centralized application system. Unlike the US, UK university applications go through UCAS. You can apply to up to 5 universities in a single application. Your UCAS application includes personal details, education history, course choices, a personal statement, a reference, and predicted grades. Visit ucas.com to get started. Step 3. Check entry requirements. Every UK university has specific entry requirements. These may include A-levels or IB scores for undergrads, foundation courses, GRE, GMAT for postgrads, and English language tests like IELTS or TOEFL. Pro tip: use the UCAS entry requirements checker to see if you meet the criteria before applying. Step 4. Write a strong personal statement. Your UCAS personal statement is crucial. It's your chance to showcase your passion, skills, and why you're the perfect fit for your chosen course. Be clear and concise, focus on why you chose the course, and highlight relevant experience. Start early. Personal statements take time to perfect. Step 5. Secure a strong reference. Your UCAS reference is usually written by a teacher, counselor, or mentor. Ask someone who knows your academic strengths well. Pro tip: provide your referee with your achievements and aspirations to help them write a strong and personalized reference. Step 6. Submit your UCAS application on time. Double-check everything before submitting. Key deadlines are the 15th of October for Oxford, Cambridge, and medicine dentistry courses, and the 31st of January for the main UCAS application. Remember, unlike the US, UK universities don't have early decision or early action. You apply once, and decisions come later. Step 7. Prepare for interviews. Some universities, like Oxford, Cambridge, and medicine dentistry programs require interviews. Be ready to discuss your personal statement, academic interests, and problem-solving skills. Pro tip: practice with a teacher or mentor. Step 8. Receive offers and respond. Universities respond with either a conditional offer, unconditional offer, or rejection. It's okay if you get a rejection. Consider clearing or alternative options. Pro tip: accept your firm, first choice, and insurance, backup. Offer wisely. Step 9. Apply for student visa. Once you accept an offer, apply for your student visa, Tier 4. Required documents include a CAS letter from your university, proof of finances, English proficiency test results, and a valid passport. More details at gov.uk/student-visa. Step 10. Secure accommodation and prepare for arrival. Now that your visa is approved, it's time to book student accommodation. Choose between university halls, private housing, or homestay options. Pro tip: join university Facebook groups to connect with future classmates and find accommodation tips. And that's it. You're ready to start your journey in the UK. Stay organized, stay proactive, and enjoy every moment. For a complete step-by-step guide, grab your copy of the complete handbook for applying to top universities in the US and UK at hornbillpublications.com/ultimate guide or Amazon like, share, and subscribe for more university application tips.